Okay, guys, if you own a small local business and you're struggling to get more clients or just looking for an increase in sales, one of the ways you can do that is just by going to Google and registering your company with Google My Business. This is a great free way to advertise your company. It can really put your business on the map. Today, I'm going to show you how to set this up so you can get more traffic to your business. So let's get started. Okay, so to start off, go to the web browser and just type in Google My Business. Go ahead and hit add location if you already have some. So it's going to ask you to find and manage your business. What I'm going to do is we're just going to add your business to Google. Or if you already have a business or a website, you can just type the name right here. But for the purpose of the video, I'm going to start from scratch and show you guys a walkthrough. Okay, so this is how you're first going to set it up. It's going to ask you the name of your business. I'm just going to put name of business. Okay. So hit next. Choose the category that best fits. I'm going to go with digital marketing. Maybe just marketing. Click next. So do you want to add a location customers can visit, like a store office? So if you have a brick and mortar store, you're more than welcome to go ahead and click yes, so customers can have your location and stop by. I'm going to click no. So where do you serve your customers? Typically, I like to pick 2 service areas with a pretty big gap in between. It gives me a suggested service areas like Leomin, Pinellas Park, St. Petersburg, Kent City, Gandy, and Gulfport. So I'm just going to pick Pinellas Park and Gulfport. It gives me a pretty good radius to work within. All right, so next is how do you want to show your customers? So obviously it's going to be your phone number, either your website URL if you have one. If you don't need a website, go ahead and click don't need a website. Or you can also get a free website based on your info. So I'm just going to say get a free website. So we're just going to hit finish and manage this listing. And that's how you first set up your GMB. It's asking me to verify my mailing address. As of right now, I can't do that because I already have one listed up here. So I'm just going to hit, we can verify that later on. Okay, so this is the GMB you just created, right? And there's a bunch of ways that you can just go in here and fill out all the information you need just to get more access to customers. So for instance, it says down here, complete your business listing, improve local search ranking, and help your customers with a complete profile. And see how we're only at 40%? That's just because we need some additional information too. So we're going to put in as much information as we possibly can throughout these boxes here. Once you get to this step, I opened up a tab right here, and this is kind of how I filled it out. Just with your posts, you can go through your tabs, go through your posts, let everybody know what's going on lately. With your information, this is all your business info, your address, your service areas, the hours of operation, any special hours that you want to add, telephone numbers, appointment links, products. You can always edit your products, your services, add an opening date, photos. So I'm going to make another video on how to optimize a GMB. But in the meantime, if you don't even know what a GMB is, this is a great video for you to start. And I'll go ahead and make another video on how to optimize your GMB for the best results. So, I hope you like this video, and we'll see you again.